Hello everyone. Let's learn today one of the Excel functionality known as a Power Query. The target is to merge all the data of respective worksheet to a single worksheet. So how we can do it? So this is a table with warehouse 1. The same name is mentioned here also. So what we will do, go to data tab, select from get data, select the from other sources, select line query, and you can see a formula bar where we can type the query can be seen. So here we'll type dot excel equal to excel dot current workbook with empty parenthesis. Ensure that the cases are properly mentioned. That means E caps, C caps, W caps, because this is a case sensitive. Now just click enter. You can see the entire table list is populated here. If you click it here, it will bring the table, but I don't want to populate the table. I want the entire thing. So then let's come back to here. You can, if we select this, the data will populate the bottom, but there is a one button here. Click this one, then it will select all the table. Now from where whichever column you want, you can select it, but I want all to be there. Ensure to uncheck this, click OK. So you can see all values are populated in a single table. Now suppose I want to place it in first column, or if whatever sequence you want, you can do this. Ensure to keep the format first, then going ahead. So suppose this one we want, go to transform in text format, it is already there. This one only I want in date format, so from here in transform, from here select the date. For this we want in a whole number, this is also in a whole number, this one in a percentage. Now what we will do, just go here, close and load. So what will happen, one new worksheet created which have all the values in single sheet. Now what is there, if we go on refreshing it, the value of the rows are increasing. Why it is happening? Let me go here, go to source, and you can see the new sheet that is created with query 2 is also populated here. So what happened, it is happening like a recursion and it goes on increasing the count. So what we can do, select here, go to text filter and go for end with or start with or anything, end with, or you can go here and suppose warehouse, what is here, my warehouse 1 2 3 is here, the starting is with warehouse. Text filter, go for begin with, insert, type here begin with what, warehouse, and just click OK. So it will have this value. Now close it, keep the changes. Now if we see 124 rows is coming, we refresh it, it will not change. To come here and we can change it to percentage. This is the way how we can do it.